Hi everyone, Kelly Donahue-Piro here for an exciting week at APP. We're launching our next quarterly training, which is all video training for your team. So many agencies have come out and said it's been really successful to play during their team meetings, topics for discussion, just really good skills. And this next one's really important to me. It's actually on how to cross-sell insurance. And we dive through all different areas. But for this 4 videos this week, we wanted to kind of just keep it 50,000 foot view because I think that there's a lot of misperceptions about cross-selling in insurance. So I want to start off with what cross-selling is absolutely not. Cross-selling is absolutely not aggressive, sleazy sales. Like, hey, little lady, can I get you into an umbrella policy? No, it's actually something that is in the best interest of our client. It's also not a quick cash grab for the agency. In fact, as you get better and better and better at cross-selling, what you're going to find is actually that some of the smaller policies add up to more loyalty. So yes, it does help the agency as a whole grow, but a renter's policy isn't going exactly like the world on fire, but so critical to keeping a client. It's also not a nuisance to clients. Some people have said, oh, well, they don't want to be bothered. They just want to call in and make their payment. You know, they're upset about rate. No one has money for insurance. And that's a little bit of a false belief that we're going to break through in this course. And it's also not forcing extra coverage on clients. It's not saying you have to have an umbrella policy or else, or you need flood insurance. It's really stopping and having a different conversation. So let me just stop and tell you a little bit about what cross-selling actually is. It is educating your client. And so every single frontline employee needs to have the heart of a teacher and also work hard to educate their client. It's also adding value by sharing ways you can help people. If they don't know that you do both lines and they have it with 2 different agents, honestly, it's just an opportunity between someone screws up or someone asks, and you want to be on the ask, not the screw up side. It's also saving them valuable time by using one agency. And it's alerting them to potential discounts. And it's being a great agent who wants the best insurance experience for their client. So when people have sort of a rejection towards cross-selling, it's usually coming from a different place, which we break through in this course. In fact, we find the #1 reason people don't cross-sell is actually time. It's the idea that, well, I've got so many other things to do. If I stop, I'm going to have to quote it and sell it and bind it, and that's another servicing thing to do. So I'm just going to stay where I am. And we're going to break down all those false beliefs in this course. But if you are struggling with the philosophy, the concept, the reasoning of cross-selling, let me put your mind at ease. It is all about education. And in fact, in this course, you're going to hear us use the word cross-educate as opposed to cross-sales, because I think the S word of sales sometimes has a bad connotation where we have the heart of a teacher and we're educating, we're going to get ahead. We'll see you in the next 3-minute video, which is all on what cross-educating really means. Hey everyone, it's Kelly Donahue-Piro here, and we're so excited because we're launching our next online course, which is all on how to cross-sell. And we're going to take cross-selling from new business to renewal to inbound service calls, and even there might be a bonus section in there on outgoing calls if you want to make proactive outgoing calls. We've got all sorts of stuff in here, from role-playing videos to scripts to outlines. It's just a really robust course, and we confront a lot of false beliefs that hold us back from hitting our cross-selling potential. So if cross-selling is on your mind, this is the course for you. You've got 2 ways to get it. The first way is you can subscribe to our online school. We have sales training, renewal review call training, time management, how to reduce remarketing, and how to turn inbound calls into opportunity, all in that school. So it's kind of like you get access to everything. And any course we launch in the future, you also get access to. So that's a huge opportunity. Or you can buy just this one course outright. We're doing it as a special for $495. That is only good till the end of July. So you'll get that until July 31st, 2021. After that, it'll go up to $995. You can buy that at any time in our store, but it will be there. So if you're interested, let's get on it. Let's get it today. Help your team cross-sell with a plan. I know a lot of times agencies will say, oh, just cross-sell, cross-sell, cross-sell. But most people in the front line need a little bit of a game plan and need to have some strategies that they can rely on. So this is the plan for you. I can't wait to see how your agencies do on cross-selling, and take advantage of it. It launches July 15th. So if you're watching this a few days in advance, because we're pumping it up, mark it on your calendar, watch your email, watch your social media, and you will get alerted on when you can hop on that opportunity. We'll see you then, guys.